Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. I was looking to add a little bit of pizzazz to my entryway, kind of zhuzh it up just a little bit, and I found the perfect pieces. This is a three-piece set by BONNYCO, and these are a vintage gold color mirror. Now they're not vintage, they are actually plastic, so they are very lightweight, but they look so good. You will definitely have your guests fooled into thinking that they are actually vintage metal mirrors. I really love the design of these. They are nice and small, so they look really cute grouped together like this. They're about the same size as your average salad plate. There's so much versatility in using these in your home decor that you will find something that looks great in your home, I'm sure. They have a nice reflection to them. You can actually see how you look if you want to check real quick before you leave the house, or if you have guests coming over and they want to do a quick hair check before they enter in. It's not warped, it looks nice and clear, it's just small. These mirrors have really helped jazz up my entryway. I'm so excited that I found them, and I think you're gonna love them in your home. And that's my point of view.